Okay, I just wanted to give y'all a quick tutorial because I've noticed that there are some responses coming up on just the original form that was sent out. So just make sure when you are sending out the teacher input form that you're not sending out the original that I shared with you. So what you'll need to do is once you click on the link from the email from your principal, if you will go over to the three dots and click on make a copy, and you can move it to whatever folder you want to on your drive, but now it will save a copy of this input sheet to your drive. So you can name it whatever you want. I named mine Smith Teacher Input Sheet just so I knew that that input sheet belonged to me and that that was my original now to make copies of. So you're going to treat this one, the copy that you made, like if it was your paper copy that you were going to send out to the teachers. So it's going to save in my SPED folder. And now when it opens up, there are no responses because this is now just a new input sheet. But now that I want to send it out for a kid, like if I wanted to send it out on Braxton, on my son, then I would come over here, hit make a copy. And now I'm going to actually name it B. Jones Teacher Input Sheet or Teacher Input. Now I know that that is specific to that child and I can send it out to his teachers. And it even comes up and it changes the title of the input sheet as well. Now, when I get ready to send this out, I'm going to go to my email, and I've already got my email pulled up. I would type in his teachers. I'm just going to send it to myself. And then I'm going to come down here to my Google Drive tab. And when I come up to recent, that's the one I'm going to click on. And that's the one that will be in the email that you send to the teachers. This is the one that you will refer back to get your responses from the teachers. The problem is right now, this original link has been sent out. And so there's multiple teacher responses from different campuses. So just make sure whenever you're doing it that you've made some copies, that you have your own copy that you can make copies of. And then now you can, from your original copy, you can take and make just individual copies for the teacher input forms. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. You can email me, you can text me. So whatever y'all need, I'm here. Thanks.